Good afternoon, everybody. I am student meteorologist Justin Williams here to give you your North Georgia weather forecast. Behind me here is your current temperature map over North Georgia. Really, most of us in the 90s, some of us peaking all the way into the upper 90s so far. Athens in 96, Peachtree here at 97, but we still got some upper 80s here. But by the end of the day, your forecasted highs across the board are going to be in the 90s. And some of us already peaking to our forecast highs, especially here in Athens. We might be peaking up to 98 by the end of the day. Same thing with Rome and Noonan, but for the most part, upper 90s, no triple digits yet. We'll be seeing that tomorrow most likely. As we go into your humidity forecast though, these upper 90s going to be accompanied by some pretty comfortable air for the most part. Nothing very humid out there. Dew points in the 50s fortunately. But we do see a spike going into Wednesday evening here. That's because we got some storms making our way, and it doesn't seem like it's going to be going down as you go into your weekend. So we might have a pretty hot week ahead of us. Let's go into your forecast radar. Let's give you an outlook on this storm that's making its way on in to North Georgia Wednesday night. We got some storms setting up. Illinois and Indiana making their way down south here. Arkansas, you guys got a big system ahead of you guys going into Wednesday morning. But for the most part, North Georgia, it's pretty clear. It's going to remain pretty clear tonight. It's going to be clear going into tomorrow, but we're going to be clouding up as we go into your day. We might even have a spotty shower, thunderstorm towards the northwest part of North Georgia going into your evening time. But right here, this big system is going to be the big concern here. We're not entirely sure how it's going to stay together. So rainfall totals are probably going to be changing as we get closer to this in time. Some models really have this disintegrating before it even gets close to North Georgia, but this one does have it sustaining itself just to clip this northwest part of Georgia and clip some of North Georgia here, maybe a little bit east of LJ, but for the most part, south of LJ and Rome towards Athens and Atlanta, you guys are just going to be seeing some remnant scattered showers as we go into your Thursday morning, even some clearing as we go into your Thursday morning at 8 a.m. Your tonight's low, though, 67, mostly clear. It's going to be dry, but it's going to be dry as we go into tomorrow, too. But towards the end of the day, we're going to be ramping up. We're going to be ramping up in temperature and humidity. We're going to be sizzling at 100 degrees tomorrow with some isolated storms towards the tail end of the day. But there will be plenty of sunshine tomorrow before those storms come in towards your evening time. So you go into your 7-day forecast. You got that big 100 hots on Wednesday. It's really relentless as we go into the end of your week, though. 97 and 96 across the board as you go into your weekend. And it's going to be humid on those days, too. But Monday and Tuesday, we seem to be having some sort of break with the lows in the 70s, and 93 is your high. A little bit better than what we've been seeing, especially what we're going to see tomorrow with highs into the triple digits. That's it for me, folks. Once again, I am student meteorologist Justin Williams, and go Dogs.